could you be so cold? I got no pass on the road. I wanna travel the globe. I'ma go MB mode. I wanna put my hand on you. I wanna run that money on two. I said low cash back on through. Yeah, bring co-friend with you. Yeah, I'ma have fun with you.
Alright, we went on a whole trip to Panda Express. We went to 2 different Panda Express.
Two fucking Panda Express.
Y'all don't even want to know the reason why, but I'm just gonna leave it alone. Show me what you got. Oh, I drank most of my juice.
You say you want some? Oh my god. Okay. So we got all this shit. I got orange chicken and chow mein. And you got, what is this? Spicy?
Honey sesame.
Oh, honey sesame. And we got some little spring rolls. And sweet and sour sauce. And some pork cheese. I've never done one.
What's up? Mukbang? This your first mukbang. What's up, YouTube? It's T.O. I'm back with another video. I hope I got enough minutes. I hope this shit don't stop. I'm just letting y'all know, just in case this shit stop. But we got Panda Express. We finna do the mukbang. I don't know what the topic gonna be yet, but we gonna find a topic though.
Exactly, we gonna find a topic.
Can't be fucking. But yeah.
Y'all still got me fucked up.
I never tasted egg roll before. I'm just gonna taste
This
an
is
egg
spring
roll.
roll.
A what?
A spring roll.
What is that?
Has like vegetables.
Hell no.
No, try it. It's like the same thing as egg roll, but
Look, she had me trying some shit this morning too. My dad never ate. Cause I'm a picky eater. I don't eat a lot of shit.
I had him eat a quesadilla. It's just like tortillas.
Hello, yo, Monte Carlo calling me. Hello?
Yo, what you doing?
I'm doing a YouTube video. Want to say anything for the YouTube video? I ain't see you in a long time, bro. Yo, this my yo Monte Carlo right here.
You know what I'm doing?
Show your face, nigga. They want to see how you look.
Hold on, wait. Let me put this charger in and shit. Hold on.
That shit was trash.
What?
Do not eat that. Tastes like soggy.
Hold up, bro. Hold on.
You don't want to see.
I see you around.
That shit was so nice.
What's the other shit to me?
Can you more than that?
Is I'm dreaming? What up to? Nigga, did you die?
Oh. But you guys see me all weird. That shit is trash compared to.
Oh, I'm not fresh, that's why. Huh?
Yo, what's good, everybody? It's been a long time. I'm coming back to YouTube. You ready for that? Shout out my little brother, T.O. That nigga about to go crazy with this rap shit. Everything going up. Oh, by the way, my YouTube channel was Young Monte Carlo gang. Don't fuck with me.
Thank you, my bro.
Hey,
Yeah.
hey, yo. What the fuck was I finna say? Man, when is that shit coming out, bro?
But back into the video of talking to your Monte Carlo. What tracks?
No. Thank you.
That.
Okay.
But we just do like something like 21 Christmas or shit like that.
Right now?
Ask me what you want to know.
Right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
But what do you look for in boys, like guys? Not guys. That shit was so cringe. I'm sorry, but
They say that we talk weird to each other, like on camera.
Yeah, I know.
We do, low key.
Yeah,
But it's not like this number.
Yeah, it's not.
It's just
in real life. In
weird.
real life, it's not like this.
It's just like the camera's like right in front of my face. So I feel like.
But what do you look for in niggas?
Why you ask like that? Honesty, like loyalty, like just keep it real with me. I'd rather find out than you than like anybody else, you know. Yeah, just somebody I could chill with, like, and be best friends with at the same time, and like get money together with, and just go up together. You know.
Yeah.
We just look for a female or a bitch.
Ask me something. You can go back and forth.
You got answer.
Huh?
I want to know what you look for.
I look for a female.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know, I just look for like a female. I don't like I like petite girls, so like I like skinny girls and shit like that. You don't gotta have ass or nothing like that, but well, I
Ain't
look,
got no ass. He still thinks he's cute.
yeah, you do got ass. But I look for a female. Shit, I just look like a good I just look for like a good personality. Like a girl, like certain shit, like I watch certain shit, like you do like certain little shit, like I normally don't see from females, shit like that. I don't like any shit like that. I just look like for like different, like I look for good vibes from females. If you don't got a good vibe, or I can't vibe with you, I can't laugh, or shit like that, or you just don't make me happy, I just can't fuck with you.
Okay. What's your biggest pet peeves in a relationship?
There's a lot, but
I don't know, me too.
well, just like I just hate like a female that just always worried like about getting cheated on or like on my ass 24/7. Like you got no freedom, you can't do this. Like say if I go to the club for a fact, probably think I'm fucking on the female. Like I hate females like that. Like females that just be tripping out little shit and just be, you know. For sure.
That's your biggest pet peeve? That's good. Okay, mine?
No, I just not liking relationships and just like
I love it. Mine is, biggest pet peeve would have to be lying.
yeah, that's one too. I hate when people
Lying.
what the fuck. I hate when people just
There's
lie.
something in it?
No, I hate for rice. But I hate when people just lie about little shit. That bitch get off. Like that bitch kind of crooked.
I hate, a big pet peeve of mine, I hate when dudes always think you're trying to argue when you're just trying to conversate or like get your point across. Like, I just want you to know how I feel. It ain't gonna be an argument, I can just talk.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food have to be, damn, I feel like I knew this until you asked me.
See.
Like just, like type of food, like Italian, Hispanic. Hispanic food, probably.
That's how you like it.
That's not all I like. I like everything for real except like burgers.
What the fuck is this?
It looks like vegetables.
You want to
They don't look like that.
give me that?
You could just put it right there. What's your favorite type of food? Pizza, right?
Pizza is my favorite type of food, and I like chicken. Like I like Chinese food. I like wings. I like chicken nuggets. I like
So you was lying.
what?
The other day when I said I got chicken nuggets, because I thought you said you like chicken nuggets.
Yeah, I like chicken nuggets. Shit, I thought you knew I was capping.
I didn't because you said that in the video.
Yeah, I was capping. See, most of that video, bro, y'all niggas had misunderstood, bro. Like, y'all had my shawty fucked up.
I was like, damn, they not fuck with me.
Yeah, she didn't want to even do none of YouTube video with me. And most of y'all niggas just hating. And DJ Drama, whatever your name, DJ Drama Plug, fuck you, nigga. You a
Yeah.
bitch. That nigga really, nah, DJ Drama be hating on me, whatever that nigga name is. Little weak ass fan nigga. Like, what nigga, like, you a whole nigga, you report on female drama, and why did you report on me, bro?
Oh,
That
he
shit
had like
is
the
dead.
same video playing like the whole, like it was like a weird like repeat of pictures of us, like a slideshow. And he was just talking shit and I'm like, cloud chaser, cloud chaser, cloud chaser.
No, that's a clout chaser.
That's the cloud chaser. Y'all need to go comment cloud chaser on his shit, not mine.
But, Who asked the last question? Me or you?
Oh,
Me, right?
you asked what my favorite food is, and I said on New Year's already, so I could ask. What's your favorite color?
Green.
Okay.
What's your favorite color?
Black.
Black.
Mm-hmm.
My mom like black.
Like, I have so much black clothes, y'all probably think I wear the same shit. I have like a
I
million.
got a lot of black clothes too. Have you ever been cheated on?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. I didn't like that shit. I think that's why I've only been in 2 relationships. Because I just don't like. I don't want that shit to happen again.
You hear that?
That little. I think that's the fridge.
Oh.
Oh, he say, hold on. Is that yours? I don't like yours like that.
But
One as big as these.
yeah.
I know, they're too big. I like when they make them into little pieces.
What's your favorite hobby?
I like just chilling and listening to music. Is that a hobby?
Man, yeah, I don't know. I do that shit too.
Like if I could do that, like I would just. I like I like modeling, but it's kind of like work. But it is a hobby too, like at the same time. What about you?
I like smoking.
Oh well, duh. I didn't think that was a hobby. Like we smoke all the time. Like we smoke all day. So.
Me and her.
Dude, me and him smoked.
At least 20 bucks in the last week.
Yeah. It's like roll up. And we both, like, we're a good competition for rolling. I think we're both good.
Yeah, I know I roll better than you, though.
Oh, alright.
Yeah, alright. She catching on to my lingo. So when she start YouTube, you're gonna be seeing her stuff. Woo!
Then they gonna be like, copycat and cloud chaser, taking everything from T.O. Fuck that hoe ass bitch. Trying to put her titties out.
What if somebody watching this, they would have and they would have beat your ass?
Y'all come find me. DM me. I got nothing to fight about. If you want it.
Y'all don't really know like what we be like.
Bro, yeah, we started some different shit.
You know, we be vibing like me and her, not like kind of like the same person. We listen to the same music and shit. We do the same.
I was uncomfortable. Like that was my first time like on a video. I felt like
yeah, I mean
my bra was popping out.
Yeah, she's telling me before
time.
the video and shit like that. She's like,
Oh
like,
yeah. I was like, I don't want to put my Instagram on there because they're gonna be like I'm a clout chaser.
Yeah.
He was like, no, it's gonna be okay. And the whole video he was like, what's your name? And I was like, it's Veronica Valdez. Fix my bra.
Like I told her this period. I told her say her Instagram. I like say her Instagram. She's like,
how do you spell
Cause
it?
she asked me like what you want me to say and shit like that. I was like, say her Instagram and shit like that. Cause she's really like kind of nervous. To be
Yeah, I was really nervous.
Then that's her first video. She see all the comments and shit. Y'all niggas talking that bullshit. And just like y'all niggas some hoes.
Like damn, I didn't even do nothing to y'all, and everybody.
But that's how the
hates me.
internet. I told her that's how the internet is, cause like a lot of shit get misunderstood.
Yeah, and it's like I'm
Cause
not.
before this video, me and her was hanging out for like a week. We was hanging out for like a week before we really did a video, just vibing and shit like that. We didn't even,
Like
whatever,
this week.
huh?
So there was a week, but like we vibe. Like I feel like it's like we've known each other. So.
Yeah. I feel like we knew each other forever, but
What's yours say?
I forgot a project where we served at the perfect moment.
Is this something you forgot about that you're supposed to be finishing? got it.
These motherfuckers huge.
I know, those are too big. Wait, but I don't know what we was talking about. You have a charming way with words. It's not a fortune. That's them telling me stuff about myself.
Yeah, your chicken nasty as shit.
It was not nasty at
We
first.
should have stopped, got some snacks.
Should have. You got chips?
But you got anything you want to say before the camera on? I'm pretty much good on this. We already ate and shit. We finna go watch Netflix. What you wanna watch?
Well, all he watches is horror movies, so I'm probably watching a horror movie.
No, I don't want to watch some more scary movies because it's
I
like.
think you've been watching
Bro,
scary
look,
movies
look.
for like 8 days.
So.
No
See,
cap.
look, she's scared to sleep in the dark. Pussy. You a pussy.
No, that's not it.
Like, nigga, I'm not scared of no movie. Like, I can sit in the dark and watch a scary movie by myself. I would not be scared. I swear to God.
You're making it seem like that's hard. I just choose not to sleep with every single. I don't like to sleep in pitch black. Like, I don't like that. It's just too quiet. I don't want my dog here right now. Like, I'm usually here like by myself. I'm not even from here.
Yeah, your dog big as shit.
It's my baby. I can't wait to have it back. He'll be back around Christmas.
You might not know you after Christmas.
I don't know. I'll be back.
Woo, 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 woo. Alright, get this video 2K likes. If the video get 2K likes, I get her a puppy. She says you want a puppy. What type of puppy you want?
Happened for only 2K likes?
Nah, I'm
Because the last
okay,
video-
if this video get 5K likes, you can get a puppy.
That's a stretch, but okay.
No, you got edging on. You gotta talk to him. Move up.
Please, y'all, please. I really,
It's like
okay.
you talk. Like, it's like you
Okay.
talking to people. Like imagine yourself talk to for say this video get 100K views. Imagine yourself talk to 100K people.
That's crazy. I don't even know like 100 people. Okay, y'all. So I have a pit bull, and he's a blue pit. His name is Sosa, and he's my baby. I've had him for 4 years, and I want him to have like a little brother or something. So I was thinking I could have one of those little French bulldogs. So it'll be like the big one version and the little version, and that would be cute. So that's what I wanted for Christmas. So y'all help me get this video to 5K likes, and he'll give me one. He said so that like a little puppy.
What I'm gonna get for Christmas?
Whatever you want. I ain't gonna make them give you likes. I'm just get you what you want.
Can you surprise me?
You want a surprise?
Well, this is the end of the video. Go follow Veronica Ainsway.
Oh no, I'm not even saying that.